Hello students, my name is Rasika Saste. I am working as an assistant professor in IT department of AISSMS IOIT Pune. So our today's topic is file transfer protocol in computer. So file transfer protocol, or we can say FTP, is a standard network protocol used for the transfer of computer files from server to the client on the computer network. So it is an inbuilt client server model architecture. So in this protocol we are going to use a separate connection for the data and separate connection for the control if we are going to connect the client and server. So files from one system to another system we are going to transfer via the internet, and there are different ports are present for the connection establishment purpose and for the data transfer purpose. So there are two main ports are present, 21 and 20. So the port 21 is used for the uh, to form the connection, okay, between the two computers or two hosts or two devices, and port 20 is used to transfer the data in between them. So there are two types of modes are present in the FTP: active mode and passive mode. So we will see one by one. First we will see active mode. So in active mode, client connect from the random port and the port number should be greater than 10223. So if I want to, or if any client want to communicate with the server, then first they have to serve the command port 21 and send the port command to tell server that he wants to connect to n+1. Then listen on the next higher port, means n+1, for the server response, and the server connects from its data port 20 to the client data port n+1. Okay, just observe the diagram in which there are two number of ports, means 1028 and 1029 at the client side, and at the server side again there are two ports, 20 and 21. So 21 is used for the connection establishment purpose and 20 is used for the data transfer. So the client 1028 port number wants to communicate or wants to start communication with the server, then he will send the request, okay, to the port number 21 for the connection establishment, and then all the data transfer will do via port number 1029. The another type is passive mode FTP. So in this again there are two number of ports from the client side, and we will add another port in the server side instead of 20 and 21. So it will connects the port first port N to the server command port 21 for the connection establishment, and it issues the passive command. Okay, so in this passive command, server send the port to use for the data, and then client connects to the server specified data port, server completes the connection. So just observe the diagram. In this diagram, the first client port 1028 forms the connection between server and client via port number 21 for the server side, and then next client port number 1029 forms the data transfer connection to the server side port 2024. So there are different transmission modes are present. So this transmission modes is used to specify the additional coding, or we can say sequencing performed on the data independent of data type and file structure. So there are total three types of transmission mode present in the FTP. First one is the stream, block, and then compressed. So if we will see one by one. First, stream means it is a stream of bytes. Okay, if record structure you have sent the record indication. Then next one is the block. So in block, file sent as a sequence of blocks preceded by the header info allows restart of the interrupted transfer. The third one is the compressed. So in compressed, data compressed using the run length encoding. So these are the transmission modes of, and there are different file structure are also present in FTP. So operating system stores files in the different structure, as we know. So FTP defined file structure for the transporting files. The first one is file, record, and page. Okay, so file is the unstructured sequence of bytes. then record is the series of records, and page is the series of data blocks. Okay, so the default file structure is file, which we are going to use for the communication between the client and server. Thank you.